There are many people here. They charge $26 per day. What's the exchange rate for dollars? What's the phone number? Where can I buy tickets? Where would you like to meet? Which one is better? Across from the post office. At 3 o'clock. Be quiet. Can you recommend a good restaurant? He studies at Boston University. Here it is. Here you are. He's in the kitchen. How far is it to Chicago? How far is it? How many miles is it to Pennsylvania? I like to watch TV. I was going to the library. I was in the library.